Hi friends, welcome to your own channel, Word is Word. Today we are going to delete the word impossible from our subconscious dictionary. Many things are impossible in our comfort zone. Other side of the coin reads, nothing is impossible outside our comfort zone. Remember, you are the only person who thinks in your mind. You are the power and authority in your world. You can start with nothing, and out of nothing and out of no way, a way will be made. Direction is more important than the speed. If you can't do great things, do small things in a great way. Nothing is easy. Nothing is free. If you want to make things possible, you have to pay the price. The greatest risk of living is riskless living. Let me repeat it. The greatest risk is the risk of riskless living. Agreed? For that you have to start. Vision without execution is just a hallucination. If nothing changes, nothing changes. Remember, this is the most important quote. This is the most important quote in this lecture. If nothing changes, nothing changes. People who fail to plan, are planning to fail. Agreed? And as already have discussed, the point of power is always in the present moment. Remember, all these quotes, they are very important to be successful. To illustrate all these quotes, I'd like to tell you one story. This is one interesting, inspiring but underrated story. In 1938, there was a man in the Hungarian army named Gario Takas. He was the best pistol shooter of his country. He has won many national and international championships in his country. He seemed to be the most eligible person to win the 1940 Olympic gold in his country. He has practiced for that for years. That was the only goal of his life. But in 1938, one day, his goal come to dust. In a military practice camp, in an unfortunate accident, a hand grenade blast in Karoli's right hand, the shooting hand, the hand he wanted to make the best shooting hand in the world. Now, Karoli was left with the two options. Either he kneeled down to the life and cried for rest of his life, or he focused on his dream with the minimum possible hope. In 1939, Karoli came to the National Championship Games. All his colleagues were delighted to see him and congratulate him for coming up for the national games to cheer them. But Karoli said, "I am not here to cheer them, but I am here to compete you with my left hand, the only hand." Last 1 year he was practicing for making his left hand the best hand. And the man with the left hand won the game. He focused on what he had. He didn't focus on what he has lost. He didn't stop there. Because his goal was to win the Olympic gold and make his hand the best shooting hand in the world. He kept practicing for 1940 Olympic Games. But unfortunately, 1940 Tokyo Olympics got cancelled because of Second World War. He didn't give up. He kept on practicing for 1944 Olympics. Unfortunately, 1944 Olympics again got cancelled because of World War II. Still he didn't give up. He kept on practicing for 1948 Olympics. In 1938, Karoli was 28 years of his age. In 1948, he was 38 years old. It's very difficult for him to compete with the new people with the new energy. The best players from all over the globe were participating with their best shooting hand. And Karoli was competing with his only left hand. But to your surprise, the man with the only hand won the gold medal. It didn't stop him there. He again practiced for 1952 Olympics. And to your surprise, the man with the only hand, the man with the left hand won the 1952 Olympic gold medal. Let me show you his picture. If you are determined, nothing can stop you from reaching your goals. This story tells us nothing is impossible, because the word impossible itself says, "I am possible." It reminds me one of the Hindi movie dialogue, खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना, खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा खुद तुझसे पूछे, बता बंदे तेरी रजा क्या है. Interesting? I want you to clap for me. Okay, one more thing. Please subscribe, comment and press the bell icon. Aim is just to get inspired by inspiring others. Thank you. Take care. God bless us. This is Dhananjay Patil signing out till we meet again in the next video. Bye.